Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's short and helpful video, I'll show you how you can log into a child account on your iPhone quickly and easily. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Family. Here, you'll see the list of family members connected to your account. The Apple ID at the top is your child's Apple ID, and the one below is the organizer's parent ID. So, if you ever forget your child's Apple ID, this is how you can find it. Now, let's move on to signing in. Go back to the main settings screen and tap Apple account at the top. Then scroll down a bit and choose sign in manually. Now enter your child's Apple ID followed by the password and tap sign in. Once you do that, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your trusted phone number. Enter that code here. Next, your iPhone will ask for the device passcode. That's your iPhone's lock screen code. Enter that as well. That's it. Your child's Apple ID will start signing in. After a few seconds, the account will be successfully logged in. So guys, that's how simple it is to sign into a child account on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.